Hey guys, Caroline here at SQEEEK Archery. Today we're going to show you how to install your rest shield cover from Total Peep Archery on QAD rests. Alright guys, now we're going to show you how to install your rest shield, but before we do that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. When you get yours in the mail from SQEEEK, it's going to look like this. There's going to be two pieces inside. One piece is going to go over the fork component of the rest, and the second is going to go over the containment arm on the rest. Right here, you can see this guy is going to just slide right over both arms on your fork, followed by this piece, which is just going to slide into your containment arm. Over here, we have a finished product. It's been shot numerous times from one of our employees here. Holds up really, really well. Tech tip, don't forget that they are not rubber, so they do have a tendency to rip. Be very gentle and don't stretch them when you put them on. Thanks for watching, guys. Go to sqeeearchery.com to get your own and have an awesome day.